Have you ever been in a conversation, maybe at work, or meeting someone new, and suddenly your mind goes completely blank? You know what you want to say, but the words just disappear. It's called blank mind syndrome, and it's the #1 reason why most English learners feel like they aren't making progress. But here is the secret. You don't need more vocabulary to fix this. You just need a safety net. Let's start with the filler bridge. When you freeze, your instinct is to stop talking, but that is a big mistake. Instead, use a bridge to buy yourself time. Phrases like, "That's an interesting perspective. Let me think about how to phrase that." Or, how should I put this? Keep the conversation energy alive while your brain catches up. The second, and even more powerful tool, is the echo and add method. If someone asks you a tough question and you freeze, just echo the last few words of their question and immediately add a follow-up. For example, if they ask about your opinion on a new project, say, "The new project." It's definitely a big change, isn't it? What's your take on it? You've just passed the ball back to them while your brain resets. Now, these tricks only work if they become second nature. You have to practice them until they feel natural. Try talking to yourself while you're doing chores or driving. Use these phrases until they become your automatic response. And finally, if you want my ultimate emergency phrase, the one sentence that can save you in literally any conversation when you feel like you're losing control, drop a comment below with the word emergency, and I'll send it your way. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, real-world English tips. Let's keep practicing.